Today we are talking about Reoon Email Verifier, a tool that helps you to clean your email lists fast. If you run email marketing campaigns or manage large contact lists, having invalid or wrong emails can waste your time and lower your results. Reoon Email Verifier can makes it simple to check your emails and make sure every address is correct. And with the lifetime deal on AppSumo, you get full access without paying monthly fees. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover useful tools and deals that save you time and money. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the description for the discounted offer link. And you don't need to use any code because the discount will be applied automatically when you use the link. So now let's talk about the Reoon Email Verifier. So sending emails to invalid address can harm your sender reputation and reduce your delivery rate. Reoon solves this problem by checking your email list for the errors and inactive addresses and fake emails. This ensures that your campaigns reach the real people and improving the performance of your marketing. The platform is very easy to use. You can upload your email list in just a few clicks and the tool quickly verify the email and it identifies the invalid, risky or duplicate addresses and provides a clean list for the ready to use. This is very helpful if you send the newsletters, promotions or client updates and want to maximum efficiency. Another big advantage is the speed. Reoon can check large lists very fast, which saves a lot of time compared to manually verifying emails. You don't need any technical skill to use it, and the interface is clean and simple for beginners. So you can focus on creating content and campaigns instead of worrying about the errors in your listing. For businesses and marketers, having a verified email list is crucial. Reoon helps you to maintain your email reputation, increase the open rates, and reduce the bounce rates. This makes your campaign more effective and more professional. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal. Normally, email verification tools charge monthly and cost increase if you have more email to check. But with the lifetime deal on the AppSumo, you pay once and you get the access to Reoon for as long as you need. So this is perfect if you regularly send emails and want a long-term solution without extra fees. So if you want a simple, fast and accurate way to clean your email list and improve your campaigns, then Reoon Email Verifier is a strong choice. It saves time, protects your reputation and ensures your emails reach the right person. So if you want to grab the lifetime deal, check the link in the description. When you use the link from the description, you will get the discount and it will be applied automatically. So no code is needed. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is Easy Access Tech channel helping you to discover simple tools for your business. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and check the description for the deal link, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.